Good morning YouTube. I'm out again on my Royal Enfield Himalayan and I'm going to go to the motocross track, what I found yesterday, and see what's going on. I'm really looking forward to this. I hope there's going to be some bikes flying about. Bit cooler now. Man, it's about time it was autumn. Yeah, where the track is situated, Gale Common, near to Egberton Power Station, and all that's left of Egberton Power Station is that one chimney. All the coaling towers have been demolished. It's another coal-fired power station has gone. There is some bikes on it. Well, mosey on in and have a look. Whoa! Lively place to be. Well, to come somewhere like this and it's free, I think it's just nowadays I think it's amazing. Well, free to come and watch. Been here about an hour now, I love it. Well, I've just done a quick lap on the Himalayan just to show them how to go on. As if. Right, which way shall I go now? I'll go this way. That were brilliant. Come out nice and sunny now. Oh, look at that kestrel. Don't know if we caught that.